The Java vector represents a dynamic array of objects. Like a regular array, the Java vector holds its elements within a contiguous memory location. Is vector better than ArrayList? We're gonna clear that up. Vectors can automatically grow and shrink when elements are added and removed. One key feature is that the vector is thread safe. While an advantage in preventing data corruption, it comes at a performance cost. Alright, let's take a look at the code. So let's build up a vector with names. Defining the vector is quite straightforward. It starts with vector, followed by the element type within angle brackets, and then we use the keyword new to create a new instance of vector. Now let's add some names, starting by David, Jennifer, Elizabeth. Now let's output those values to the terminal. Vector has an already built-in toString method, which we make use of in our example. Let's see how this looks in the terminal. And there we go. We see the vector values, David, Jennifer, and Elizabeth. Now, instead of getting the entire vector, let's just get one single element. Let's get the element behind index 1. And there we go. The element behind index 1 is Jennifer. We can also make use of the vector size method and then loop across every element within the vector. Let's take a look at the terminal output. And there we go. We see the entry getting values using for loop, followed by value 0, David, value 1, Jennifer, and value 2, Elizabeth. Now let's take a look at how to change elements within the vector. This can be easily done using set. So let's set the element behind index 1 to Rebecca and output it to the terminal. And let's also set the element behind index 2 with Tony. Now let's take a look at the terminal output. And there we go. The first vector we created consists of David, Rebecca, and Elizabeth. And the second vector that we created consists of David, Rebecca, and Tony. Now let's take a look at how to remove elements. This can be easily done using the remove method and providing the index. And there we go. Our new vector consists of David and Tony. We can also remove values differently. Instead of providing an index, we provide an object. Let's test that out and delete Tony. We also create an output to the terminal and execute the application. And there we go. We remove Tony, which means our vector has only one entry left for David. We can also clear the vector, meaning that we completely empty the vector, not leaving any elements behind. Let's take a look at the result in the terminal. And there we go. We cleared all names. The main advantage of vector over ArrayList is its thread safety. Other than that, ArrayList is the preferred choice for new development due to its superior performance. Alright, that's it for the vectors. If you feel this video brought some value to you, drop a like. It makes me happy and it also provides this video with a chance to thrive on YouTube. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.